Hi everyone, welcome back. Today's hair tutorial is an easy updo hack perfect for any occasion, whether you're a bride, wedding guest, prom, or you just want to elevate your everyday look. Now, you're always asking me, how do I deal with my soft, slippery hair? So here's my go-to trick. Start by curling your hair. My favorite for upstyles is a 1-inch barrel, which just helps add texture. Next, you want to add some grip by spraying a bit of texture spray or dry shampoo throughout. This step will make it so much easier to twist and pin, and it'll help hold everything in place. To start, gather your hair into a ponytail just above eyebrow height and secure with an elastic, and then slide the elastic down an inch or two. Now, using your index fingers and thumbs, create a hole above the elastic. Push the ponytail up through the hole, pulling it all the way through to create a topsy tail ponytail, and just pull gently on the sides to tighten. Now, secure another elastic above the topsy tail, and on the last loop, only pull your ponytail partway through to form a bun. Fan it out by pulling on the sides and secure each side down with bobby pins. Now, divide your ends in half and grab the right side. Pinch the top of your section with your right hand, and with your left hand, twist the ends away from your face, bringing them to the left side of your bun. Secure the twist where your right hand was, and then secure your ends to the left side of the bun, making sure the twist covers the elastic. If not, gently adjust it and pin into place. Repeat with the remaining ends. Pinch the top with your left hand and then pin in place, and then twist your ends away from your face, bringing them to the right side of the bun and pin into place. Recurl any bits and finish with some texture spray. How beautiful! I hope that you liked today's video. If you did, please give it a like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. Bye!